do slow down. You're making my milk churn.
Are you kidding? We're moving at a snail's pace.
Snail's pace suits me just fine.
Ooh, Ermintrude, that's the sweetest thing you've ever said.
Relax, Dougie. Soon this whole crazy trip will be behind us.
Behind us!
That's what I said, man.
No! Behind us!
Faster! Faster!
I always wanted to be a roller coaster!
Whoa, dudes. Talk about a near-death experience. I thought I saw the light at the end of the tunnel.
That is the light at the end of the tunnel. We're gonna be okay! And Zeebad's still trapped in the temple.
Then, like, who's that? His evil twin Zeebada?
Where's my third diamond?
Furnace! Don't fail me now! Brace yourself, everybody! Mind the gap! Here comes Big Nose! Somebody do something!
Hey, this must be some kind of anti-spring device. This'll slow Zeebad down.
Really?
Or it could be an ejector seat.
What the devil was that?
What happened? Why am I blind? Did we reach the roundabout yet?
So that's where you're headed. The roundabout. And that's where I'll find my diamond. So long, slime ball. Sam, get up on the roof and dispose of the prisoner.
Dispose of a prisoner? Can't do that, sir. Geneva Convention.
Guess what? I'm unconventional. Unconventional. Off with his head.
Ouch!
Welcome aboard!
Ermintrude, you saved me.
Don't cross me, you tarred up tin opener!
Faster, you lily-livered traitor! I want that diamond! More coal!
Whoa! Trouble dead ahead!
That's my line!
Now, this is what happens when you don't brush regularly.
Sir, the pressure! It's too much!
I know. Sometimes I feel I'm going quite insane.
No, sir, it's the boiler!
Thank goodness we're safe!
That's what I call letting off steam.
Hurrah! I